now tour. It's almost over, and it's just so amazing to spend our 7th show from the end of the tour with such a beautiful, wonderful, loud, amazing crowd in Tampa. For something you did recently that I'm really excited about. You guys got me nominated for 3 American Music Awards this year. And the cool thing about the American Music Awards is that they are completely fan-voted. If you wanted to go to AmericanMusicAwards.com and vote, you could, if you wanted to. This is a ukulele that I got in Hawaii a few years ago, and I like to play it because, well, it just sounds happy, don't you think? It's like, hey. And so I thought I'd play it for you on a happy song tonight. You know, like a song that I wrote about the best first date I've ever had. Woo! You know, because that kind of happiness has its own category. You know, that kind of happiness is like, you're just like jumping up and down, giggling for no reason, feeling so ridiculously joyful that you almost feel fearless, right?